If you want to buy coins, you can check out MOGA in the description.
100k packs are back, and I am obviously gonna open a shit ton. So let's get started. Right, first pack, please come on. Hummels, Jesus Christ. Sorry if it's lagging, I can't do much about that. Right, come on. Oh my fuck! No! 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 Yes! Watch! Oh! Yes! Yes! Come on! Oh! Yo! Nah! My luck today! My fucking luck today! No! Are you for real? Oh! Yes! Oh! Can we get 2 in a row? I'm gonna skip. Yes! Yes! He's shit! He is so incredibly shit! But it's 2 in a row! Oh my days! Come on, EA! Give me another one! This will be 3 in a row! Oh! Nah! This is ridiculous! This is stupid! Danny Alvin as well! Oh my shit! Oh my shit! EA, I love you! Yo, I got Team of the Season Ronaldo trending on Twitter. Are you mad? Oh my god! I'll be getting on blue. So, TV off. And who do we get? Probably someone shit. I am so fucking done right now. I have no what? EA, no, how, stop. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh! Right, come on. Oh! Yes! 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 Come on! Come on! Yes! Oh my god! It worked! I'm sorry for talking my mouth full. Oh no, 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 no! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my days! Team of the Season! Yes! The shittest one by a long way! But we got Team of the Season and skip! Buffon! Oh shit! Buffon! Thiago Silva! Yes! Anyone else? Another blue! Another blue! Oh my god, and it's a sick one as well! My controller's gone! Oh my god, come on! Yes! Yes! Come on! We got Diego Costa again! You've got an inform! And an inform! 2 in a row! Please! I'm not looking! Come on! Oh, who do we get? Please, come on! Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god! Oh! Yes! Holy shit! We got Lewandowski! We got Lewandowski! He's 90 rated! Oh my god! Right, okay. Come on. Please, EA, just give me someone. Oh my god! No! That's what? That's my, I swear to god, that's my first pack! You saw me! That's my first pack! Oh! No! No, 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 no! Oh, my parents, oh my god, my parents! Yo, it is 1:30! I am so, oh, they're gonna fucking kill me! Okay, so, I just beat Anison Gibb and won the whole Liga BBVA Team of the Season off him. And he wants a double or nothing. But! There's no buts, it's just fucking, it's just literally... Ladies and gentlemen, he's putting up Pele! Oh shit! Oh my god!